Let's talk about datasets and tables inside Google BigQuery. To do so, it's really important to understand how Google BigQuery organizes our data. In this diagram, I'm presenting you the way BigQuery organizes the information. We will always have a project containing datasets and datasets containing tables, that in this case are Google Ads, Meta Ads, and GA4 events. Let's look at this inside Google BigQuery so it becomes more clear. We are now inside Google BigQuery. Right now, I'm working in my project called Marketing Data Test Project. This project has datasets. So if I click here in datasets, now I will be able to see the datasets that are under the Marketing Data Test Project. In this case are Marketing Ads and Test Dataset. If I click on my dataset named Marketing Ads, now I will see the tables that are inside the Marketing Ads dataset. In this case are Ads GA4 and Meta Ads Google Ads. If I click on any of these tables, then I will have access to the schema, details, and if I click on preview, I can see a sample of the table. And that's how datasets and tables work inside Google BigQuery.